Hello, I'm Dr. Nate Lighthizer. I am Dean and founder and head of Dry Eye Services at Northeastern State University's Oklahoma College of Optometry in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. My research interests include dry eye disease and office-based surgical and laser procedures. The eyes continuously monitor changes to the ocular surface to help regulate tear production. TRPM8 receptors are expressed on corneal sensory nerve terminals and play a key role in the regulation by detecting ocular surface cooling associated with interblink tear evaporation and activating the trigeminal nerve to coordinate tear secretion. Acoltremon ophthalmic solution 0.003% is a first-in-class topical ocular neuromodulator containing a TRPM8 receptor agonist and has been shown to increase tear production in the Phase 3 COMET trials. An acute dosing study was conducted to further characterize the tear response produced by Acoltremon 0.003% in adults with dry eye disease. This Phase 3b open-label study enrolled 41 subjects who underwent baseline optical coherence tomography, or OCT, imaging of the central tear meniscus in the left eye, and collection of baseline basal tears from the right eye. After a resting period, subjects were treated with Acoltremon 0.003%. 3 minutes after dosing in the left eye, OCT imaging of the central tear meniscus was captured. Separately, 3 minutes after dosing in the right eye, tear collection was repeated. Study outcomes included change from baseline in central tear meniscus height by OCT imaging and total tear lipid concentration. 1 drop of Acoltremon 0.003% led to a 147% increase in tear volume as measured by OCT imaging of the central tear meniscus, which changed from 343 micrometers at baseline to 847 micrometers after dosing with Acoltremon 0.003%. Treatment with Acoltremon 0.003% also led to a statistically significant increase in total tear lipid concentration in Acoltremon-stimulated tear samples. The geometric mean total tear lipid concentration was 128 nanograms per microliter before dosing and 221 nanograms per microliter after dosing, showing a 72% increase. The only reported adverse event was instillation site burning or stinging in 39% of subjects, although all of these reports were rated as mild. In this study, a statistically significant increase in tear volume was observed in subjects with dry eye disease after a single drop of Acoltremon 0.003%. There was also a statistically significant increase in total tear lipid concentration in Acoltremon-stimulated tears. The resulting increase in tear volume and total tear lipid concentration in Acoltremon-stimulated tears suggests that Acoltremon 0.003% has the potential to treat a wide range of dry eye disease patients.